Hi guys, my name is Teacher Grant, and for this series that I'll be trying to build, I will be going through each unit for the Foundations Reading Explorer 3rd edition. Hope you guys can follow along with me, and I hope I can make this a great experience for everyone. Let's go ahead and get started. Here we go. The first unit is mysteries. Now let's read our warm-up question. Read the caption. How do the rocks move? Do you think there are things that science cannot explain? If so, give an example. And the caption reads, California's sailing stones were once a mystery. We now know that the rocks are moved by strong winds when the ground is icy. So, what do you guys think? Do you think there are things that science cannot explain? What do you guys think? What are some things that science or scientists can't explain? Let's read this together. A mysterious visitor. In October 2017, astronomers in Hawaii saw something surprising. A strange object was moving through the solar system. They had seen many asteroids before, but this was something different. It was long and thin like a cucumber. The object's speed and direction also showed something surprising. This was an interstellar object, the first ever seen. The object was named, please forgive me for butchering this word, but it is Oumuamua, Hawaiian for visitor from afar. Nobody is sure exactly what it is. The simplest idea is that the Oumuamua is a strangely shaped piece of rock. Perhaps it was knocked out of a far-off star system. However, astronomers saw that its speed increased after passing the sun. Some scientists therefore suggest a different theory. Oumuamua could be a piece of alien technology, says Professor Abraham Loeb from Harvard University. Loeb believes this could explain the object's long, thin shape, and maybe also its change in speed. Maybe Oumuamua was a spaceship that came to explore our solar system. All possibilities should be considered, says Loeb. Oumuamua can no longer be seen from Earth, but astronomers continue to study the information they got from it. It is still not clear if the object was a large rock or something else altogether. Oumuamua will likely be a mystery for many years to come. Now, let's pay attention to the word interstellar. If an object is described as interstellar, it means it has traveled between different stars. Now, if you look at the picture to the left, it says, an artist's drawing of the Oumuamua. Again, forgive me if I'm mispronouncing that word. It is a strangely shaped object that passed by Earth. Astronomers are not sure if it was an asteroid or something else altogether. Now, let's take a look at the before you read section. although we did read it already. Look at the image and read the caption. Complete the definitions using the words in bold. Blank scientists who study objects in space. Blank a rock that moves through space. So, would it be astronomers or scientists who study objects in space, or asteroid scientists who study objects in space? Well, the correct answer would be astronomers. And an asteroid is a rock that moves through space. Now, according to some scientists, what else could Oumuamua be? What do you guys think? So it could be, it could mean visitor, right? So it could be a visitor from afar, or like an unknown object, right? A visiting object. Now, let's continue to go on with this lesson. Here is what we know about the Oumuamua. It entered the inner solar system in 2017, in the month of August. So August 2017. Possibly came from a star system 25 light years from our sun. And that would be a 600,000 year journey. That's a long time. Reached a top speed of 315,800 kilometers an hour. More than 250 times the speed of sound as it passed the sun. First seen by astronomers in October 2017, when it was 33 million kilometers from Earth. That is about 85 times further than our moon. Let's try to comprehend what we have just read in the past 2 pages. Choose the best answer for each question. Let's get the gist, meaning like let's get what the main idea is, or what it generally is about. What is the reading mainly about? Is it A, new technology to help scientists find asteroids? Is it B, the largest asteroid ever seen by scientists? Or is it C, a mysterious object that passed by Earth? If you guys chose C, you are correct. A mysterious object passed by Earth. That is the gist of the reading. What did scientists learn from studying the Oumuamua's speed and direction? Was it A, it came from another star system? B, it was possible it could hit Earth? Or C, it was an asteroid? What do you guys think it was? The correct answer would be it came from another star system, which is not given as a reason why the Oumuamua could be an alien spaceship. The object's size and shape, the object's change in speed, or the object's color. The correct answer would be C, the object's color. In paragraph C, what does considered mean? Does it mean explain in detail, thought about carefully, or chosen from a list? If you guys selected B, you are correct. When you consider something, you're thinking about if it's the right move or the right idea, or what you want to do. Oh, I'm considering to go swimming today, or I'm considering having fish for lunch today. Considered. And finally, according to the infographic on page 10, when was the Oumuamua first seen from Earth? Was it as it entered the inner solar system, just before it passed the sun, or after it passed the sun? The correct answer is after it passed the sun. Now it's time to summarizing. Complete the summary with the phrases in the box. One is extra, which means it won't be long. Let's go through it together. In October 2017, astronomers saw a strange object that was shaped like a cucumber. By studying its speed and direction, the scientists realized that the object had come from another solar system. The object was called the Oumuamua. Most scientists think it was just a rock. However, others, such as Abraham Loeb, have suggested it could be a piece of alien technology. Well done, guys. Let's go through a reading skill activity. Scanning. You scan a text when you want to find specific information. That basically means that you don't have to necessarily read everything that's given to you. You can scan for particular information you're looking for. When you scan, you only look for the information you want. You don't read the rest of the text. For example, for the question, what does Oumuamua mean in Hawaiian? You look through the text for the words Oumuamua and Hawaiian, and possibly quotation marks. Looking back at reading A, find and underline these words in the passage as quickly as you can. So, you guys can go back, or we can go back together in reading A, and we have Hawaii, surprising, theory, alien, solar system, likely. So, for the first word is Hawaii. You can see at the very beginning it says astronomers in Hawaii. And for the next one, we have line 2 and line 6. Something surprising. Paragraph B, line 7. A different theory. Paragraph C, line 2. A piece of alien technology. Paragraph A, line 2. Moving through the solar system. Paragraph C, line 9, came to explore our solar system. Number 6, paragraph D, line 5, will likely be. Beautiful work, guys. Alright, guys, time for part B, scanning. Let's answer the questions together. Now, read the questions below. Think about what answers you need to look for. Then, scan reading A and the infographic on page 10 and write the answers. So here's the first question. Now, I will go ahead and just give you guys the answers after reading the question. but I would like you to go back, look at the paragraphs, and find them yourself so you can source your answer. Number 1. When did astronomers first see the Oumuamua? And the answer would be October 2017. Question number 2. What does Oumuamua mean in Hawaiian? And again, forgive me for the mispronunciation of that word. I'm not 100% sure on how to make that word 100% understandable. So I believe it's Oumuamua. So what does Oumuamua mean in Hawaiian? And to summarize that, it means visitor from afar. When did the Oumuamua speed increase? It increased after it passed the sun. What is Abraham Loeb's job? Well, he is a professor. And where does Abraham Loeb work? He works at Harvard. Number 6. When did the Oumuamua enter the inner solar system? It entered in August 2017. What was the Oumuamua's top speed? The top speed was 315,800 kilometers. Forgive me, I don't know what that is in miles. So that would be 315,800 kilometers per hour. And how far was the Oumuamua from Earth when it was first seen? It was seen 33 million kilometers. So it was 33 million kilometers away. How far was the Oumuamua from Earth when it was first seen? It was 33 million kilometers away. You guys are doing amazing and making your way through this video with ease. Proud of you guys. Now we can kind of think outside the box. What extra information about the Oumuamua would be useful to help scientists solve the mystery? Note some ideas below. Discuss with your fam, your friends, your teacher. So what would be useful to know? Well, in my opinion, I would definitely say something like, we want to know how old is it? What is it made of? And any marks on it that would suggest that it came from something much larger. Those are some possible questions you guys might ask. Now it's time to go through some vocabulary practice. Read the information, match each word in red with its definitions. Crop circles. A farmer wakes up to find something strange. Someone, or maybe something, has made unusual shapes in his field, pushing down his crops. The shapes can be seen from the sky. These are called crop circles. Some people think that aliens make crop circles when they land their spaceship. However, it seems clear that they are made by people. The technology to make them is simple. Just a rope and different sizes of wood to make thick or thin lines. Some people make crop circles so others will believe in aliens. Other people make them just for fun. Crops are plants grown in large amounts. So what would be hard to understand or explain? What would be hard to understand and explain? Well, that would be strange. Strange means it's hard to understand or explain. What word describes perhaps or possibly? And that word would be maybe. Number 3, not wide or thick. Not wide or thick would be thin. Thin. Number 4, the use of science and machines do things. And that, of course, would be technology. Now we're going to match the two pairs of each definition. If you move at a high speed, you hit it, you go very fast, you learn more about it, you do not stop there. So it means you go very fast. If you knock something, does it mean you hit it, you learn more about it, or you do not stop there? Knock means that you hit it. Now, if you pass a place, you learn more about it, you do not stop there. What would that be? If you pass something, it means that you do not stop there. And finally, explore. When you explore a place, you learn more about it. All right, guys, let's look at word usage. The past tense of the word past is sometimes confused with the preposition past. Complete the sentences by circling the correct words. Now, I won't circle, but you can. Scientists saw a large asteroid moving past Earth, P-A-S-T or P-A-S-S-E-D. So the correct answer would be past, P-A-S-T, past Earth. I passed by the supermarket on my way home. So I bought some bread. Would it be passed with an ED or passed with a T at the end? The correct answer would be passed. P-A-S-S-E-D. I passed by the supermarket. My friend just walked past me and didn't stop to chat. Would it be with the ED or with the T at the end? The answer would be at the T at the end, right? Past. And finally, Oumuamua reached its top speed as it passed the sun. And another course would be with an ED at the end. All right, guys, you have been absolutely amazing. That ends the first video lesson for Reading Explorers Founders Edition, or 3rd edition. Till next time, take care. Bye-bye.